Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable chat on your Hearthstone application using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Hearthstone application on your mobile device and then from the home page, tap the gear button at the top right corner. Click on Options from the menu and then click on Privacy from the Options menu. Now under Privacy, tap on Privacy Settings. You will then be able to see the social options and device options. To disable chat, untick the box right in front of Enable Chat Messages and click on Turn Off. Soon after you do that, you will be able to disable chat messages on the game. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.